All right, cool. So the next step now is to basically set up your chart of accounts so that you can kind of map it into Breezing. So what do I mean by that? So here I have connected a chart of accounts. I'm connected right now to, yep, there it is, 0. And I have a bunch of accounts that I created. I created pretty much some wallet accounts. I created some Ethereum accounts. So you can structure it the way you want to structure it, basically. But the most important thing is to set up your chart of accounts first in your Xero, QuickBooks, or your accounting system, and then bring that into Breezing so that you can map it now to the different tokens or wallets. What do I mean by that? So let's say you want to take a token view. So I'm going to go ahead and here click Assets. Let's say I take a token. So I created an account for every single token. One for ETH, one for Binance, one for whatever. So if I type over here ETH, I'm going to go ahead and click ETH. I have an Ethereum account for this one. So I go ahead and select Ethereum, save it, basically. I do the same for the other ones, like USDC. I think I have a USDC account. Go ahead and save it that way. So I have all these like little accounts that I start to add. I think I also have a Matic account. Just get that in there. Matic, basically. I think I have a USDT account. Let me add that in there as well. So I start to add all my accounts token view. Basically, this is the token view version of an account. I'm trying to see if I have a DAO account. Yeah, there's a DAO account as well. Do I have a CVX account? Let's see over here. Nope, no CVX account. So once I've labeled all my key accounts, I would then throw all the remaining accounts basically into an other cryptocurrency account. So I think this one's also Matic. I'm just going to throw this one in here as well. So I've labeled all my accounts on my balance sheet. These are all balance sheet accounts. I would then pretty much, what I would do is I'd filter and I would say empty. I'd filter that out. I would select all. I would go to manage, edit, and I'd put everything else into kind of what's known as an other cryptocurrencies account. And I would hit save, basically. And there we go. I've labeled all my accounts for the balance sheets if I have a token view setup, basically. So that's pretty much how you set up your balance sheet via token view. In other videos, I'll show you how to set it up via wallet view, and even one step further, a wallet and token combination. All right, cool. Talk to you soon.